system.
Right. Anything done in this video was performed by professionals in a safe environment and or generated by AI. This is for entertainment purposes only, and you should not attempt to recreate this at home. What's good, SRT Camp family? Back with another video today. I'm letting my grandpa drive the Hellcat, the Hellkizzler. My grandpa just let me drive his manual GT Mustang, so we had to let him drive the Hellcat. He's driven a Hellcat before, but we're gonna let him really drive the Hellcat. I know you drove a Hellcat before, but...
Well, this is a different sound, and it's automatic. Jesus, one even busted right there, I felt it.
Yeah.
That was just...
And that's
not even a quarter burp.
And that's even in drive, without being in paddle shifters.
Right. Oh yeah, you can really play that. Look at how quiet it is when you're just...
Yeah, when it's in drive, it's real quiet. That's what I do. When I see a cop, I just throw it in drive.
Just... Just amazing the horsepower that
Right.
built stock factory like this, because you know the biggest ship back then was 375 horse.
And that was quick back then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta be fucking...
Yeah,
I was just
sick.
burping the pedal. I was just burping the pedal, man. What were we doing, 40?
Yeah, probably.
Jesus. That's fucking crazy. I know Johns didn't do that. I just like the...
It's just, you know, sometimes you gotta.
I just can't believe...
You just gotta misbehave sometimes.
I just can't believe that it just did what it did.
And that's with traction all the way on.
It is?
Yep.
Oh, fuck. They make, oh, here they are on the front. They make,
Right. Oh, scat pack one. Another scat pack. I think that might be an RT, yep.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's a four-door, that one. Rotor's getting gross. They gotta drive them.
else you're doing.
Way too sweet.
Even when the tires are cold, you'll fuck this thing up.
These are sweet.
I know, especially with the starlights. I wish you could see them a little bit more up front, but it is what it is.
I can't even believe it. Just fucking lost.
Yeah, whenever the fuck you want them to. Dry pavement.
You know, they got a kick out of that. That's sick. It's fucking sick. John's was torquey, but I didn't. This is just. I was just burping the throttle and shit. You don't even have to hit it too good. Fuck. This is no problem to just touch the brake and just start shaking. It sits in eighth gear until you press down on the gas and the downshift. Yeah. Hey, if I throw my finger, what is that? You're in seventh gear. Yep. Now my truck does the same thing, and I can do the buttons on here. Look like Mikey. Little curls hanging out the front. Like that. Look at that, all by itself, right? From the let on. I guess you gotta get some people.
Yeah. Snottiest thing I ever drove up.
Was that the first time you drove it?
Yeah. I rode it.
Give it a little gas?
Oh yeah.
55 and I just fucking burped and just fucking.
The whole ass did?
Yeah, man, it just wants to fucking go. It's fucking insane. It's insane. I have to eat a clean. I think you're shaking.
Alright, you guys, I just had a quick one for you guys today, but I wanted to post and get my grandpa's reaction to driving the Hellcat. He said it's definitely the fastest car he's ever driven. He's driven a Hellcat before when it was a manual 6-speed, but that shit still didn't have as much balls as this John right here. Still didn't have as much fun. Alright, y'all. It's been your boy SRT Cam, and I'm out.